How to restart your Android phone without the power button. So your power button may not be working for some reason. So to restart it without the power button, open up your phone settings, scroll down to additional settings, scroll down to accessibility. Now click on the accessibility menu. Enable the accessibility menu. Click OK to confirm it. Come back out, and then at the bottom you can see the little person icon, which is for the accessibility settings, and there you can see the power button. If you click on that, it'll then give you the option to restart or power off.